Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm JP Cordero and I am representing Dapitan City and I am one of the candidates of Mr. Philcom Kings KSA here in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, kumusta yung journey mo dito sa Philcom Kings PSA?
Well, actually the journey was really hard. I can still remember the first day that I joined here in Philcom King KSA. It was really, the expectation was high, so high especially that people saw me that I joined pageantry here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and that's why a lot of pressure, but of course it's a part of the game. That's right.
Okay. With all the activities dito sa the Philcom Kings PSA, kumusta yung banding mo with your co-candidates?
Well, unfortunately, I wasn't able to be here in some of the activities due to my work-related problems and my schedule. But then I am there to support with them. I post a lot of activities na ginagawa nila, and I am still updated din po sa mga activities na nila. So by that, I show my support to them kahit nawala ako personally.
So nakakasunod naman sa mga activities kung ano yung mga latest update.
Yep.
Let's talk about impressions. Paano mo ini-evaluate ang isang tao? For example, dito sa competition, paano mo nalalaman kung sino yung contender dito? Yung strong contender na pwede mo makalaban?
Well, actually, every time I joined pageant, I didn't consider myself or the other persons as competitors. I always look up to myself. So I previously check those things that I need to improve. So, kumbaga, mas focus ako sa sarili ko kaysa sa ibang candidates.
Okay. Let's rate your preparation dito sa competition. From 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. Q&A.
Q&A, 9?
9. Sino yung coach mo?
Ako lang po, actually. So,
Ano pala nasabing 9?
9 because siyempre meron pa rin pong room for improvement. Hindi natin masasabi na perfect 10. Meron pa rin pong mga kailangang i-improve, especially sa Q&A. Kasi hindi naman po ganun talaga ka-easy yung Q&A. That's
Okay,
why.
and how about your fitness preparation?
Fitness preparation was really, really hard because, tayong mga OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia, we, of course, focus tayo sa trabaho natin. Yun yung hindi alam ng ibang tao na siguro iniisip nila na it's only about dressing up or showing up to people, but not. We have also some schedules that we have to fix. Minsan hindi kami napapayagan ng mga employers namin, so it's really hard. But when it comes to fitness, we are looking for some extra time na ini-exert namin. Like for example, during our break hours or during our day off, we tend to go to the gym just to have some fitness activities.
So tuwing day off ka lang
Day
nakaka-perform?
off.
Okay. Nag-workout ka niya sa home? Sa
Home
bahay?
workout, not so much because I feel very lazy, especially when I'm in my home. But it would be better if I do it on the gym.
Okay, and how about your OOTDs? Sino na nagpiprepare ng mga isusuot mo?
Oh, for OOTD, fortunately, I have my designers. I have also my stylists. I have Fashion Runaway in Eastern Region who are there. Especially, shout out to Mr. Leo Styles who always there to support us. Especially sa mga taga-Eastern Region po. So, may mga tao din po, like for example, Mama Do, Richard Subiro, who always there to support us sa mga susuotin natin. So, parang grateful naman po kami talaga kasi andyan sila to be our backbone sa pageant na to.
Okay, let's talk about insecurities.
Oh.
How do you cope up with it? Do you have anyone?
Yes, of course, hindi po nawawala yung insecurities natin, especially when it comes to physical. Of course, I'm not telling that I am a perfect
Person.
perfect type of person para sa pageantry. Of course, alam naman natin kung gaano ka tindi or gaano ka high standard yung mga pageantry sa Pilipinas. But then again, it is not about the physical outlook, but it's all about the personality and the characteristic and how you could inspire others to do the same thing.
Bakit mo pala naisipang sumali dito sa Philippine Kings KSA?
Philcom King KSA was really new to me. So every time I joined pageant, I considered it as a new pageantry, as a new platform for me. Now, as an OFW, I wanted to be a representation. Of course, as an OFW, I want to represent kung ano yung mga kakayanan. Of course, we have all the creative OFW, we have all the designers, we have all the photographers na pwede natin ipagmalaki, not just nationally, but also internationally.
Okay. You have your supporters who are watching you right now. What advocacy would you like to share to them?
Well, actually, for my supporters, sinusulong ko po yung Laban Kabayan. Ano po yung Laban Kabayan? It's just a tagline for me na gusto kong i-push. Kasi po, we all know that being an OFW is not an easy thing. We are far away from our family, far away from our loved ones. We suffer. Some people are suffering from depression, anxiety. So, kumbaga, yung Laban Kabayan na tagline is very swak po para sa ating OFW. So, sa lahat po ng mga OFW na may pinagdadaanan, Laban Kabayan.
Itong Laban Kabayan, affiliated na ba siya sa any organization para makatulong sa mga may problemang OFW?
Well, so far hindi pa naman po. So that's why me personally, I spread positivities sa my own social media. And this Laban Kabayan, hopefully, ma-associate ko siya sa mga organization para matulungan naman natin to spread awareness na rin po with regards to like mga pinagdadaanan ng OFW.
Okay. Philcom Kings KSA is one of the most prestigious pageants here in Saudi Arabia. Ano ang pakiramdam na you are part of this competition?
Ooh, of course, napaka-overwhelming po. Of course, siyempre, to be a part of this organization is parang a great opportunity na rin po para sa amin. And of course, alam naman ng lahat na I am continuously joining pageant. But sometimes I just get redirected. So this time, actually, this is not my first choice na pageant. So, but then, again, siguro na-redirect na ako dito at tapos dito nila ako tinawag.
Today is one of the most important part of the competition,
Yes.
which is the preliminary. Ano ang mga paghahanda mo sa araw na ito?
Oh, preliminary, of course, physically, mentally, napakahalaga ng mental preparation because syempre, andun yung pressure. Like for me, because people consider me as a pageant veteran, the pressure is on, the pressure is high, so mentally I have to be prepared. And of course, emotionally, kasi hindi naman natin maiiwasan na there are some people who are gonna bash us, especially sa ibang bansa or sa Pilipinas. But of course, we are very ready. Aware naman tayo dito, and yun yung mga preparation na kailangan nating harapin.
Okay. Why do you think you should win one of the titles?
Wow. I should be the next Mr. Philcom Kings KSA because I have this strong commitment to inspire others or to create an inspiration to everybody, and I have this commitment to represent the values and ideals of this organization has to offer. So I have also this unique combination of talent, charisma, and dedication to my work. So if I'm gonna win OFW Philcom King KSA, so I wanted to represent every OFW here in Saudi Arabia, not only in national stage but also international stage.
Okay. And which crown are you eyeing for and why?
Of course, OFW, Mr. OFW, because kasi ito po yung kumbaga representation. I wanted to represent a certain community which kumbaga yung nakaka-relate ko talaga ako, and I am one of the OFW, and I want to bring this not only in the national stage but also international stage soon.
Okay. Ano pala yung mga crowns na pwede mo panalunan dito?
Meron po tayo Misters of Pilipinas, meron po tayo Mr. OFW, which is magko-compete po in the future in other sa ibang bansa. And nakalimutan ko yung
King of the Philippines.
King of the Philippines, yun po. So,
Three. So, bakit three titles yun? Invite everyone to watch the coronation night.
Yes, guys, I am inviting each one of you to please watch our coronation night this May 17, 2024. At saksihan niyo po yung bagong kokoronahan, and who will represent the Filipino community here in Saudi Arabia. See you guys!
Do you have any message to people behind your journey, your family, friends, and supporters?
Yes, first of all, I would like to say thank you to my family because sila po yung sumuporta sa akin. Hindi po sila nagdadalawang isip every time I join pageant, and every time they are supporting me all throughout my journey. Hindi po sila, kumbaga, andun sila sa likod ko palagi. And to all my designers, Mama Do, Sir Yao, and also sa Eastern region, sa FRER family ko po, especially kay Sir Leo, kay Doc Ronald, Sir Chad, Mami J, thank you so much for the support. And to the organization po ng Philcom King KSA, especially sa chairman natin, si Sir Duff, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity and platform na para ma-express namin yung sarili namin. And of course, mapakita namin kung anong meron kami.
Okay, lastly, promote your social media platforms.
Yes, please support and follow me po sa Facebook, JP, and sa TikTok din po, JP_1432. Ayun po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.